Welcome back, guys. This is the third tutorial of our web development series. So in the last video we discussed about basic syntax of HTML, and now in this video we'll be discussing about meta tags in detail and some extra meta tags and heading and paragraph tags. So let's just create a new file and name it as tude3.html. Now first, either you can use the shortcut or you can write it by yourself. So let's just write by ourselves. So first we have to write the HTML opening tag. So 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 this is the HTML opening tag and this is the HTML closing tag. Now we have to create head and body. Now we have created a head and body, so we have to fill the head tag. So let's just write the first meta tag. So as I told you that meta tag does not closes, so now you just write that equals to UTF-8. Now UTF-8 is a type of Unicode in coding used in actually all websites. So we need it into coding is because it translates the letters, the numbers, the symbols which you write into the machine code, or you can say into zeros and ones. So you can think of it as a dictionary which is translating human language into the machine code. Now the second meta tag we have. Now with this tag, we can actually set the initial width of the website as the device width, as different devices have different sizes. And the initial scale is equal to 1.0, means that the initial zoom is set to 1. In the modern browsers, you can actually zoom in and zoom out, but initially it will be set to 1. Now we have one more meta tag. Now the third meta tag is used for the IE purpose. Basically, Internet Explorer created problems for web developers in the past, so this tag is used because it sets the compatibility of the websites to its highest level. This tag is only for those people who have old devices, so that with the help of this tag, the browser can actually set the website to its highest compatibility mode. Now we have another tag, meta. So this tag is used to write the description of the website. So let's say if you will type Amazon, so the description which is shown here, so whatever you will write in the content, it will be shown in the description of the website. So meta tags actually do not have any space in the body of the website, but it actually tells information about other information. Now the next tag we have is meta. So this meta tag actually helps you to write the keywords, and it helps you in the search engine optimization. So let's say you have a website related to courses. So you are making courses on HTML, so you can write keywords as HTML or HTML tutorial or web development tutorial. And so many more keywords you can write, so that the browser can actually read these tags and rank you in the search box. Now the next meta tag you have is robot. So basically this last meta tag helps you for the crawling purpose. So the browser have different bots, and they whenever someone searches, so those bots actually crawl all the websites related to that particular search term. So if you'll write index here, so in that case you are actually allowing those bots to actually crawl your website, and they will just scan your entire website, and according to the relevancy they will rank you higher in the queue. Now there are so many more meta tags, but these are the most important ones. Now let's create the title. Now you can set the title of this website as meta tags, and you can save it, and you just open your live server. So this is the title of your website, and now let's create heading. So now if you'll type h1, this is the biggest heading we have. So let me just write the heading as meta tags and save it. So as you can see, this is the h1 heading. Now we have headings from h1 until h6. So h2, and then we have h3, and then we have h4, and then we have h5, and then we have h6. Actually this will come after in the next line. Now you can actually use the multi-cursor functionality by pressing Alt, or if you are using Mac, you can press Option, and then you can select all of them simultaneously. Now you can write meta and when I'll save it, so as you can see that the size of the heading is in the decreasing order. So this is the h1 heading, then this is the h2 heading, then the third one is h3, then h4, h5, and h6. So you can use these things. Now you have paragraph tag. So paragraph tag is represented by P. So this starts with an opening and then it closes, and in between you can write anything. So I'll write this is a paragraph, and you can save it, and this will be printed here. So this is a paragraph. So you can write. Now if you also write some extra text, you can use lorem. So just write lorem, and then if you will write 20, so 20 words will be created. Now if you will write lorem 35, then 35 words will be printed, and if you'll just save it, and this will also be printed here. So this was it for this video. So in this video we have discussed different meta tags. These meta tags are used for the search engine optimization, and then we discussed the heading tag. The heading tag starts from h1 and goes up till h6. Then we discussed the paragraph tag, and one more thing which we discussed was lorem. So let me just write a comment here. So let me just write the comment so that you can revise in the future. So this was it for today's video. Now in the next video we'll be discussing more about image tag and the anchor tag. Don't forget to like the video, and also if you haven't watched the previous videos of this playlist, you can just watch them now. And thanks for watching.